Hey there everyone, this is Shahin with you. In this lesson, you will learn how to use as well as and as often as in your everyday English. At first, as well as. This phrase means adding something to your expression. Like for example, let's say your friend is good at English. He is a good English learner and he is also good at mathematics. So what you can say, you should say, my friend is good at this and that. Well, to make it a more comprehensive sentence, you can say, my friend is good at English as well as mathematics. Say a few more examples. He is a handsome boy as well as intelligent. He is a good teacher as well as a writer. The place is very beautiful as well as attractive. So these are the use of as well as. Now is the time to move to the second one, as often as. As often as means a habitual frequency related to something. Say for example, you have a habit to drink tea whenever you go to market. So what you can say, you should say, I drink tea as often as I go to market. So we can say a few more examples like that. He listens to music as often as he sleeps. I take pictures as often as I go outside. I take pictures as often as I go for traveling. So well, this is for today and I hope you learned how to use these phrases in your everyday English. See you in the next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.